Hello guys. Do you know where I am? Where I am? I'm in Zhangjiajie now. I'm in Zhangjiajie now. Yes. Do you know there is a place that called Nantan Grassland Nature Park, where I was born and grew up. It's my hometown. It's my hometown. Yeah. It's a tremendous place. Tremendous place. It's a very beautiful nature. Yes. Nobody knows Nantan better than me. And nobody knows Zhangjiajie better than me. Yes. Welcome to Nantan. Welcome to Nantan. Yes, welcome to Zhangjiajie. Yes. I will invite you to my home. I can cook myself for you if you come to Nantan. Yes. Welcome you guys. Come to Nantan. Yeah. It's you guys can see, yeah, it's village and very beautiful. Yes, very beautiful. Yes. You should come. You should come. You must come. Yeah.